Did you see? Yeah.
Information Wayneston. We got some units flying this way. They're headed right on the broken land.
2-1, you can start me.
Alright, with 3-1, speed 75, Stono traffic, coming up to Snowden now, making a right, going towards Broken Land.
Getting him down now. Give him room, give him room. Stop 60 down on Kilimanjaro. Right lane. Stop 6 hit, stop 6 hit. Right tire down.
Right, go.
Right tire down.
Go this way. Yeah, stay, avoid it. There you go, go.
Stop.
Winter Rose Path, speed 25, and still slowing down. Looks like they're gonna get ready to bail. Yep, Swan Point Way.
Let's go!
Go down!
Vehicle's clear.
Show up, get down on the ground. Get down on the ground. Hands behind your back. Lay face down, my man.
I'm pulling up there as well.
Get on the ground! Don't you move.
I got one back here. Don't you move.
We have 3 in custody.